Good morning, ma'am.
Children, good morning.
Good
You
morning,
must have
ma'am.
seen the syllabus. Did you see the syllabus of UT which was posted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Has anyone gone through the syllabus?
Yes,
No.
Ma'am, syllabus
Yes,
has
no.
not been posted.
How can this be possible? Syllabus was posted in all the class groups by the class teachers. Which section are you talking
Ma'am,
about?
date sheet was posted.
No. Syllabus was posted before date sheet. It was, tell me which section are you talking about? Not posted. Devansh, which
Ma'am,
section?
PCM.
PCM 11th. Not posted. Shukla sir told me he's your class teacher. He's already posted it. Beta, other students PCM, please speak out. Did you get the syllabus on your group or not?
Yes, ma'am.
But jab tak you will not tell me, how will I help you? If you people need to speak out now. Class 11 PCM students, did you get the syllabus or not?
Yes, ma'am. We got the notice.
You got the syllabus. Then that boy, he must have missed it out. That's he's saying it is not there. Beta, there's some change in the English grammar syllabus. Advertisements are written. Advertisements are not a part of your syllabus. That is class 12th. Okay. So advertisements will not be coming. Rest everything remains the same. Only advertisements will not be coming. Notice writing will be coming. In place in writing section, we'll have notice writing. How many types of notices have we done? Tell me very quickly. First was which notice? Notice for a, which is the first type of notice, children?
for a meeting.
Notice for a meeting.
Yes, notice for a meeting. So this has to be included. This is going to be a syllabus, not the advertisements. Now please see the second one. Notice for events. It could be competition, celebration, tour, visit, sports meet. We move on to the third category of notices. Tell me which third you have done. Lost and found you've done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Lost and found, change of name, All these we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have done.
So what are the important things when you write a notice? Very quick review. First of all, we all need to remember that we need to make a box. Can you see a box over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the name of the institution should be in capital letters. There should be a comma before the name of the city. The notice should be written in capital letters. You need not underline this. Date on the left side. Then a suitable title or heading has to be given, where the first letter of all the words should be capital, except the prepositions and conjunctions. If you see A, C, C, D, and then whom are we writing this notice for? What is this notice going to tell you? And if there are further details about it. Who has called, date and time, venue, details, contact person, agenda. What is agenda?
Activity for celebration of Christmas Day.
What is agenda? What is going to happen in the meeting? What are we going to discuss? That is what we call as agenda. So this is your first type of notice, that is notice for meeting. You will also mention about the name of the person who's writing the notice. Let us see, this is a format. Which is the first thing coming? Read on the right side. Name of what? What is this? What is this? It is written over here, beta. What is this? This heading, this name of the school.
Name of the institution.
Yes, it's so simple. Then you need to write number 2, what?
Notice.
Notice.
Capital.
Capitals. Then you write the date, and then what care will you take when you're writing the heading or the subject? We just discussed, tell me.
The first word of every letter should be, every word
Yes,
should be in capital.
very good. Except for why is this not capital?
Preposition.
This F. Beta, I'm asking why is this F and this O not capital? Beta, this is because they are prepositions and conjunctions. I told you all letters, first word letter capital except for prepositions and conjunctions. Orally now, let me assign names, otherwise you people will not speak only. Anadi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
And Anant, good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
And Anushri also. Anushri, good morning. Anushri Bhardwaj, Humanities, good morning. Very nice. Okay, some problem in your mic or what? Ayush Agarwal, good morning to you as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush Agarwal. Okay, now listen. Anadi, Anushri, Anant, and Ayush. All 4 of them will just now speak out a notice. Name of the school would be our own school. You are the school head boy / head girl. You can use your own name over here. You are the school head boy, so you need to call a meeting of all the school council, all the house captains and other discipline in charges, school council. Okay? Agenda you select. What you want to discuss in the meeting. You have 2 minutes to prepare, then start speaking. The same school, our school, SI International, your name, you are the head boy, head girl, today's date, and subject you put on your own. You decide the agenda of the meeting. Whatever has to be discussed, that's entirely your choice. You have 2 minutes, then 4 of you, one by one, please start speaking. I'm taking it orally so that revisions can be done for you, please. Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, Anjali is messaging me to enter her.
I've entered almost everybody who was in the waiting room. Let me check. I can just see Swastik in the waiting room. Already taken him in. Arya, 4 students have been assigned this task. Last 1 minute for you. And it does not mean that only these 4 are going to speak. You people also need to mentally prepare yourself for this. You're the school head boy / head girl. You have to call a meeting of the school council members. Hurry up, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. One by one, please start. Start, beta. Follow the same sequence in speaking also, which you will follow when you will be writing. Start, beta. Start. Who is speaking first? Come on, start, please.
SR International School, Bareilly, notice.
Beta, wherever you have a comma, speak, comma, so that others understand. SR International School, comma, Bareilly. Very good. Continue.
8th July, comma, 2021. Activities for celebration of Independence Day. All the staff council members are informed to attend a meeting on 10th July 2021 at 11 a.m. in the lecture room. The meeting is called to discuss the virtual activities conducted for the Independence Day. You should come up with your ideas. For further details, please contact the undersigned Anadi head girl.
Excellent, Anadi. Children, did you find any mistake in what she spoke? She even mentioned about the commas. And for more details, contact the undersigned. Very nice. Okay, Anadi is done. Other 3 students, very quickly.
SR International School, Bareilly. Notice. The date is 20 January 2021. Celebration for Republic Day. All council members are informed to attend a meeting on 20 January 2021 at 11 p.m. in the school. The meet. The meeting is called to discuss the celebration of the Republic Day. For further details, please contact the undersigned Anand head boy. This should be
Excellent.
in the box.
Very good. He's even mentioned that what should be written and how it should be written. Excellent, Anand. The 2 more are left. Hurry up, then I'm going to change the topic and I'm going to change the students as well. Hurry up, the other 2 students, quickly.
SR International School, Bareilly, notice 7th July 2006 and activities for celebration of annual sports day. All the council members are informed to attend a meeting tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the lecture room. The meeting is called to discuss the activities which are going to held on the annual sports day. You should come up with your ideas and stuff which is required for the sports day. For further details, please contact the please
Chalo.
contact the in charge Ayush 11th head boy.
Excellent. Too good. How confident, how fluently these children have spoken. Anushri, only you are left. Now I'll change the topic after this.
SI International School, Bareilly. Notice 27 July, 7, 8 July 2006. The agenda was uh, discussion on annual function. All the activity council members uh, are informed to attend the meeting tomorrow uh, at break time in the auditorium. The meeting is called to discuss the activities for the annual day. Uh, you should come with your ideas and the estimate cost as well as the infrastructure required. For the further details, please contact with the head girl for the teachers. Anushri, class 11.
And then who are you? You are the head girl. So
Head girl.
you earlier also mentioned that for more information, contact the head girl or the teachers. So you got to simply mention contact the undersigned. Good. Very good, all four of you. Too good. Okay, now let's go to plan an event. Let's have an inter-house basketball. No, inter-school. Make it inter-school basketball championship. And you want the students to give the names. All those who are interested can come and give their names. Tell them when is the event, what is the last date of giving their names, what will be the selection criteria. All these things would be mentioned. You are again the head boy slash head girl. Inter-house, nahi, inter-school basketball championship. So which all classes the students will be eligible, what is the last date to give the names, what will be the criteria for selection, and what are the dates for the competition, all these things, whether the kit will be provided by the school or they'll have to purchase it, all these things you need to mention with them. So we are going to write a notice about inter-school, which competition?
Basketball.
Basketball
Yes.
competition.
Ayush Agarwal spoke or Ayush Gupta spoke?
Ma'am, Ayush Agarwal I spoke.
You spoke, na? So Ayush Gupta, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ishanvi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
And Kushal Mittal, good morning. Yes, Kushal? There is Kushal. Very nice. Such kind of children are very interesting. Invisible people. Have you read that novel, Invisible Man?
Yes.
So Kushal is invisible. Nabil, you are there?
Yes,
I'm going
ma'am.
to say, either you don't join, if you join, be active. I'll deduct marks, Kushal and UTs. Okay, all three of you now, please start. I will give you 1 minute to plan. Ayush Gupta, Ishanvi, and Nabil. Inter-school basketball championship. And all other students will listen. And after listening, you will tell me that you think this is perfect or something is missing which should have been informed. Okay, children, 1 minute to plan and then start. Are we ready, beta? Please start. Who's going to speak first? Ayush, Ishanvi, Nabil. Who will speak first? Ishanvi, Ayush, Nabil. Who is ready? Please speak, beta.
SR International School Notice 8, July, 2021 Inter-School Basketball Competition. The inter-school basketball competition is going to be organized on 15 July in Soptis Public School. All the students who are interested to take part in it can contact their house captains. With the house captains.
Very good, very good. Continue.
Regarding this, I'm only this much.
This much? Okay, never mind. Which class students can participate, Ayush?
I'm 6 to 12th.
Okay, 6 to 12. Did you mention that?
No, ma'am.
So remember, you need to mention that. Otherwise, small children will also come that they want to go for the competition. Very good, Ayush. You tried it very nicely and very quickly. Yes, Ishanvi, Nabil, we are waiting for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am speaking.
Speak, beta.
SR International School, Bareilly, notice 8th July, 20 and XX, Inter-House Football Championship. The school is organizing an Inter-House Football Championship on the upcoming Sunday for classes 9 to 12. All house captains are requested to submit the names of the players by Friday so that we can register them. Ma'am, then Nabil Jilani, class 11th, sports captain.
Very good. See, he's done a distribution of the work in a very nice way. Rather than selecting directly, the sports captain has told the house captains to give the names of the students who are interested, and then final selections can be done on the Sunday. Very nicely planned. Very good. And your name and the head boy. Excellent, bache. Ishanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice.
SR International.
Speak, beta.
SR International School, Bareilly, notice 1st July, 20XX, Inter-School Basketball Championship. This is to inform that an Inter-School Basketball Championship is going to be held on 16th August. Students from classes 9 to 12 are eligible for the competition. Interested students can give their names till 15th of July. All the necessary items for the championship will be provided by the school. For more information, students can contact the following sports teacher, Ishanvi, house captain.
Okay, excellent. Here she says that the students can contact the sports teacher, and the notice is being issued by the head girl or the sports captain. Very good. Now this is about a tour. Let's go to NASA. Let's change the subject. Nave, good morning. Nave Anand. Another invisible man in the class. Nave Anand, good morning. Pranjal Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're there. Shaure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranjal and Shaure, write a notice. Your school is planning to take the students to NASA. Now you plan. I'll give you 2 minutes. Everything should be your ideas. Yes, Peter. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am, I'll speak first.
Yes, Peter. Speak.
SR International School, Bareilly, notice 8th July 2021, a trip to NASA. The school is organizing a 15-day tour to NASA during the summer break. Interested students must submit their parents' acceptance and deposit of rupees 4,000 only by 15th of July 2021 to the undersigned or to the assigned teachers. The tour is for the students from class 10 to class 12. Shaurya, head boy. That's it, ma'am.
Very good. Very, very good. Very nice. Shaurya is done with his work. Very good. Yes, Pranjal.
SR National School, Bareilly, notice 8 July, 2021, 10 days NASA tour. The school society is organizing a 10 days NASA tour to America during the winter break. An interested student must submit their parents' acceptance and deposit 10,000 rupees till 1 October to undersign to their respective class teacher. The tour is only for class uh, 11 to 12. Pranjal, the head boy.
Excellent. So he's given the details about the money also. The two things are very important. That is money and parents' consent. That what you were a bit missing out. Permission, that is parents' consent. What is the word we use, Vichi? Parents' consent. So now everybody knows that these are the two basic requirements which are needed. We need parents' consent and we need to pay 10,000 rupees. If it suits somebody, well and good. If not, then people will not. And which class students did you go for?
11 to 12.
Shivam, are you there? Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank God. Zeba.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivam and Zeba, you will write a notice to change your name now. We have a notice in the newspapers. Everybody is hereby informed that I so and so want to change my name. Change of name. The heading that we give for such kind of notices is change of name. So you'll have to tell that I'm changing my name from this to this. This was my name, and now everybody should call me by this name only. So the fourth type of notice that we are doing today is change of name. 3 types we've already revised, Peter. I want to finish off the revisions for notices today. Which one are you going to prepare? Notice for meeting we have done. You want to do lost and found? You want to do change of name?
Ma'am, lost and found.
Okay, lost and found is easier for you. Chalo, you do this. Lost and found. You have lost your watch. Now please draft the notice. Lost. Let me take up this type 4 with you first. Notice for lost and found. You lost it. Where have you lost it? How did it look like? When did you lose it? Are you wanting to declare some reward? Whatever is your choice. Please plan. As soon as you're ready, let me know, Victor. Yes, any one of you ready? By the time they are planning, is anyone else ready? Shivam, will it take time? Zeba, what about you? Are you ready?
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, sure. I'll wait it.
Can I?
Okay, very good. Shivam is ready. Let's start. Yes, Beta, start.
First of all, there should be a box. SR International School, Bareilly. Notice 8th July 2021. Lost a watch. I lost my watch in the school playground during the lunchtime. It is of brown color and it has uh, black strip. Anybody who finds it is requested to give it to me in the class 11 or at the reception. The person finding it and handing it over to me will be handsomely rewarded. Anand, class 11.
Has declared a reward for the watch. He's lost a watch, he's saying, somewhere in the school field. And he's given all the details also, brown strap and all that. Very good. Now let's see what Zeva has to do. Children, by the time Zeva speaks out, you tell me what is the difference between a lost and a
Ma'am.
found watch. Yes, you're ready?
Yes,
Speak,
ma'am.
beta. You always speak. Speak first.
SR International School, notice 8th July 2000XX, lost watch. I lost my watch in the school playground during the activity period on 7th July 20XX. It is a fast tracked watch and black in color. Anybody who finds it is requested to give it to me in the class 11th, class 11th, and the person who finding it and handing over to me will be handsomely rewarded. Zeba Mansoori, class 11th.
So she has also declared an award for finding her watch, and that too a handsome award. So basically, she has told when did she lose it, where did she lose it, and then a reward. How did it look like? Children, now you tell me what is the most important difference. Now let's imagine the other way around. Supposing you have found a watch and you are writing a notice. So what is the main difference that you will take in mind, take care when you're writing this notice? You have found a watch. Tell me what is the main thing that you will take care? How is it different from what we did just now?
And we will not disclose all the
Ma'am, we
information
will
or
not.
specifications related to that item which we have found.
Very, very nice.
We
Very
will
nice.
not keep a reward.
Yes, we will not keep a reward also. One, so we are giving also, and second, we'll declare a reward also. That is not possible. Very good. We'll not declare a reward. Acha, why don't we disclose the whereabouts or the details of the thing that we have found?
Everyone will claim that it is theirs.
Yes, everyone will claim, then you will have a difficulty as to whom to give it further. That is the reason we do not give the details of anything that we have found. Okay, now we'll go back again to the people. Anadi and Anand, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
For the next round, children, we have done lost and found till here. We have already done. These are the 4 types of notices which are already covered. Now let's move further. Your friends will help you out. Yes. Guest lecture. By let's not have environmentalists. Let's change this. You plan yourself. You have called somebody for a guest lecture. And what is the topic of the lecture? Here they've called an environmentalist. It's conservation of water. You can call an yoga instructor, and importance of yoga lecture. Anything, any your choice, beta. Whom do you want to call? This is how we need to plan. So Anadi and Anant, right? Will you plan? Ayush Agarwal also. Anadi, Ayush, and Anant. Immediately. Jaldi karte. We still have about 1.5 minutes. Can you speak without planning?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta. Very good. Very
SR
good.
Inter-
SR International School, Bareilly notice 8th July, 2021 guest lecture by uh, district magistrate. All students of class 11th and 12th are informed that there will be a guest lecture on chain snatching by Honorable T.M. Bareilly on 15th July in school auditorium from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Attendance of both the classes is compulsory. For more information, contact the undersigned Anand School Camp.
This is the confidence with them. See, without writing, without planning, fluently you can speak out the notices. Very nice. This shows your confidence. Yes, there's one more child. Come on, speak.
SI International School, Bareilly notice 7th of July 20XX guest lecture by environmental. That disappeared. Your screen is disappeared.
Never mind. I have made it disappear. You have to plan yours. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Calling
Guest
environmental.
guest lecture by right. Ma'am, I forgot.
Acha,
Ma'am, may I start?
school start.